Welcome to the shop. Hope you're having a great day. Alright, I got a bunch of handles to clean up and get ready, and then maybe some connects and all that good stuff. Are you ready? Here we go. Welcome back. I got a bunch of knives I got to finish up. Actually, I've been waiting on a package to show up, and I was hoping that would be the video, but I've got a bunch of knives to finish and all that good stuff. I'm just going to throw that all in here. This might not be a tutorial video. It'll probably be just a bunch of random stuff thrown together and all that. Just sit back, relax, and watch. Make sure to comment on this video, like it, dislike it, all that good stuff. Subscribe, hit the bell. But let's just get right to it. Over to the grinder. Alright, I got a 320 on here. I took my platen out because with this I do want to flex. Usually I don't use stuff without a platen. You can see there's all this stuff that needs to be taken out and just smoothed out and all that stuff. Actually, I'm interested to see how this camera works because I put some sunglasses on it and ND filters. If it's a little too dark, maybe you won't see it. An important part I don't want to leave out, this knife is finished. These handles aren't. You don't want to come past a certain line because then you'll have to grind this down and re-etch it and all that stuff. So try to stay away from your edge. You can round all this stuff. Avoid that edge at all costs. I mean, you can always dip some ferric in and wipe it around, which I've done 100 times. If you can avoid it, then avoid it. Alright, now here, it doesn't really matter because this isn't part of the edge, it's coming down. Like if you just do those circle ones. But now look, I got black all over this and I touch it on the white. So I'm going to use the eraser to bring it off. Maybe this will be a tutorial. Now, when you're rounding here, that's good. But I would suggest not rounding like that because then you can't see your edge. So do this edge, flip it over and do this edge. Now, if it's on the knife or before you finish the knife, it doesn't matter. But if the knife's already finished and you forgot to do the handles, yeah, because you don't want to hit that edge. Alright, let's clean off this A30 and then I'll hand sand a little bit and maybe buff it out. We'll see. I don't know if this is me or if this could be called consistency. But look, I can't get that spot out right there and I can't get that spot out right there. I mean, I guess that would be called consistency. Alright, I'm going to hand sand these out and then hit them off the buffer. I'll meet you at the buffer. I bought some new buffing wheels, so I might as well go ahead and throw them. I just wanted this one, you know, the floppy ones, it's just getting too messed up, so I got a smaller one to see how it works, if it's any better. Because I noticed when I was trying to put my knife in there, it was hard to get in there and stuff, but The disc grinder could be part of that too, but you know, I'm running out of real estate in here. But I put a link to these buffing wheels, and they actually came with 3 kinds of compound: white, black, and is that red or is that brown? Reddish brown. So I'm gonna throw on some white. I got these all hand sanded up, ready to go, so I'm just gonna buff them out a little bit. Not too much. One thing buffing does, shows you where you need to be hand sanded. Look at all those facets that need to be hand sanded out. So, yeah. Let me go throw the wheel on and get those out. For all you guys that have small wheel attachments, well, let me take this off. This is the plate. Once again, I'm going to push DD Work Rest because I love his product so much, and I kind of stole the idea for the jig. Actually, Outdoor 55 was saying he doesn't like to use magnets because he collects a lot of steel, which is true. I understand. You know, you just have to wipe it off. You know, this would turn around into that. So if you don't have a horizontal grinder, you can always get like a tool rest and put it around there. All right, let me get this off. All right, I'm just gonna hit in there really lightly just to get all that smoothed out and even. That one's really, all right. Alright, back to the hand sanding and buffing. This side of the Scotch-Brite is pretty messed up, but man, this side looks alright. I might flip it inside out and just give it a shot. Why not? Without risk, no rewards. But there's also risk of failure. We'll see. Yeah, I gotta buy a new Scotch-Brite belt because this one's seen its day. See, Chip, this is why you think Steve uses wood. G10 has a grain to it. Now we'll just buff all that out. It looks bad, but it's probably better. Alright, let's go buff out this wood. Steve Miller does these really shiny handles and stuff. You can go check him out on Instagram. Yeah, Chip's always asking, how does he get that wood like that? Well, it's G10, it's not wood. That's how. Alright, I was looking at this Flint's polish, and it says metal, plastic, and fiberglass. Let's give it a shot. I actually went up and ate dinner and cleaned my hands off too. So that should help some. I know Flint's has a little bit of an abrasive in it, so maybe that will help. Alright, that's about it. Boom. Yeah, shining nice. Woo, look at that. I don't know if we're going to be able to see the handle too good. Let's see if we can get it. You can kind of see the glassy stuff coming off of it. But that white, the white picks up the light more than anything else. I love that marble carbon fiber. It looks real nice. Yeah, they're shiny handles. Man, it was a lot of work to get this white that shiny. This video is going to be short. I was going to put in how I do my Kydex and sharpening and all that, but I'll just link videos to the last Kydex build I did and the last sharpening and stuff I did down below, because I got something real exciting. I've been kind of waiting for something for 10 or 15 days, and it's an awesome collab. I'm not allowed to open it till I'm on camera, so you'll have to wait till Friday and you'll see me open it. But man, my first piece of Damascus, I don't know what it looks like. I feel like a kid on Christmas. Yeah, man. Alright, so thanks for watching. I got shirts like this. This is actually a gray one, or I think this is called ash. I'm trying to get ones that aren't black because I wear everything black, and I get them messed up anyway. So there's 4 knives on my website. One's already gone. You better act quick. Do I sound like a salesman yet? So Amazon links are down below. Everything's on my website. I put my website link like on top. That's pretty much first. All that stuff's down there. Appreciate you coming by. Stay tuned for the next one. It's going to be nice. Make sure to like, dislike, whatever you want to do. Comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff. You know the procedure. You hear it every time from all of us guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you all are doing great. And as always, take it easy.